Some flowers don't ask for attention. They just simply glow. This is Asiatic Lily, bright, gentle, and full of joy. Every petal changes your mood without asking. It never rushes the moments and demands your focus. Instead, it gently invites you to slow down, breathe a little deeper, and stay present just a little longer. Placed in a home, a workspace, or a corner you truly love, the Asiatic Lily doesn't just decorate the space. It subtly transforms how the space feels. Asiatic Lily, a soft reminder that beauty doesn't need any complexity. Explore the premium collections and latest arrivals at Gover.